This is going to be a shorter video where I just shut up and get to the repairs. We're not getting any movement. Belt might be shot. It did kind of play tape when I used it years ago. So we're going to start doing an exterior cleaning just to make it nicer to handle. Okay, not too bad. All right. The motor's going. Okay, the motor's spinning, but the flywheel isn't. We've got jammed up works here. So the motor spins, but the flywheel doesn't. And we even see rust on the flywheel. So now I can put my hand and move it. Put it in play. And we're getting movement, but it's fighting me, so I don't want to force it.
See what clips I'm going to need to pull.
So I'm going to try and separate this without destroying it. Not the best oil for the job, but we're going to give it a try. All right. Some 220 grit.
Extend rust neutralizer. Converts light rust to a paintable surface.
If I wanted to get fancy, I would take this all apart to clean it. I do not want to get fancy. New belt, old belt. You can get an idea how stretched the old one was. Try this way.
Just get these in, a couple screws in to hold it loosely. Give it some power, just see what happens.
have it in the play position, but notice this is not turning. So as far as I can tell, when you're in play, this little friction wheel moves into contact with the capstan, and at the same time, or once it touches that, it'll then drive the take-up reel. But there's a little bit of a gap. So the reason the wheel wasn't making contact is actually there's another little wheel, this guy right here, that lives on this, that's missing. So there's no way where you can really just get that wheel. Have to get creative. I will try some rubber airline. It may take multiple experiments with different sizes to make that work, but that's what it's like dealing with old stuff. The old wheel just basically turned to goo, unfortunately. I think that's reasonably clean now. And flywheel spins pretty well in it. So looking at the picture, it appears the piece is just long enough to fit in the window, even though there's like a recess here, so I could see how the piece could be a little bit longer and then would just sit down in the recess. So trial fit 1. And right off the bat, seems to be working. Of course, I'm just working it with my fingers, spinning the flywheel, but this would not turn before. Let's put a little bit of a load on it. It's got some decent torque. We could potentially have a fix here. So this is just giving it a garage clean. So your fingers don't feel yucky using it. And you can just play music while you work in the garage. I'm not really sure if I can just put some of this along the stem and have it kind of leach in. Okay, that's a pretty drastic improvement. There's still some crackle, but compared to where we were 10 seconds ago, so I think we can call this fixed. I need to adjust the speed a little bit, but it sounds okay. I'm also using a really old tape. Probably a new tape would sound better. This is functional now. It was completely dead before. It was just eating tapes because there was no take-up spool. It's now a working player.